Good morning, children. Yesterday I explained the first lesson. Mohsin gets an A. Only I explained some paragraphs. Okay. And today I am continuing the same lesson. Which paras are left? Okay, ma. Now here, children, take the page number 2 and see the paragraph. That is the fourth paragraph in your textbook. Okay, ma? Open, children, all of you. First you open your textbooks and see. Now, Mohsin looked at it. When the Mohsin started to do his science project work, and he opened his cupboard and he took some items. What items he took? He took one big chart paper. Okay, and a set of colors. After that, glue. And when he is taking like that only, one book came out from the cupboard. And what he did, now I will explain. And Mohsin looked at it. Now that boy took the book into his hand and he looked at it. He started to look. Now on the cover his mother has written Mohsin Khan, Nursery A. Nursery A. Already, children, this is, suppose if it is your classwork, your mother also, she covers the book, all books, isn't it? And same time mother will stick up one sticker here. And after that she will write your name and your class also. If you are in different sections, A, B, C, like the different sections are there, that section name also mother will write. Like that only, when the Mohsin took the book into his hand, after that first what he saw, that book also neatly covered book, and already one sticker also is there, and whose handwriting it is, already some letters are written. And when he observed to see that book, and he find out, oh, this is my mother's handwriting. And what the Mohsin's mother has written there, Mohsin Khan, and class and section also, third class and section. And after that, after seeing that sticker, his name also is there, class also, section also. After that he started to open the book. Like that he started to open the book and he started to see. First he opened the book after first page after again he turned his second page, and after that again he saw the next page, again he turned, like that. Now, and that Mohsin Khan Nursery A, he opened it to see what he used to write as a small child. That boy think, oh, means that time your mother will write, now still which class you are studying, that class she will write. Suppose if you are in nursery, that time your name also will be there, and the nursery book, if the book is nursery book, nursery and A section, B section, that also will be there. When the Mohsin opened the book and he saw his name also, that book belongs to, means that is some 2 years back, 2 or 3 years back, when that boy was in nursery, isn't it? And nursery, and he started to open how he wrote and how the handwriting, etc. he wants to see. That's why that boy opened it to see what he used to write as a small child. When he was a small child, in which way I learned. First, how I wrote the first letter, the lines, whatever it is, he started to see that all. The first few pages contained straight, slanting and sleeping lines. Already you know, in first nursery class, when you joined in LKG, and what the teacher will tell, nursery teacher, first she starts with the lines, that is standing up line, line down line, slanting line, crooked line, like that, isn't it? Like that only, in some pages that boy saw the different types, different lines he observed in his book. The first some few pages he saw, isn't it? Then there was a big A written in blue at the top of the page. After when he is opening, when he started to open, and after that he find out, after turning some pages, some few pages are only lines only. After that, in one page he find out one big letter is there, that is big, that letter is A. That is also written with blue color ink, blue ink, isn't it? Blue color. Now after that what happened? In blue at the top of the page, he find out one big A letter is there. One big A letter is there, that is also written with blue color ink, blue color pen. I will show. Big A, that was after some pages, that also written with blue color pen, blue, isn't it? At top of the page, below it was a scared looking A with a wave lines, and after that this is who has written this A? Nursery teacher. Now after that, when he observed downwards, he saw that that letter A is in different ways, like this. Like this something, isn't it? Children, when you join in LKG, that time also first you cannot write properly. Now you are writing very fine, very excellently, isn't it? Now when you join in school, when you join in your LKG, that time you don't know to write correctly. That is also that handwriting, it will be just like a jigsaw, isn't it? Now some children, they will write very big A's also like this. Some students, they will write like this also. Why? Means they don't know first, isn't it? Now that also, that below that teacher say some letters are written, but that is a scared looking. Scared looking means it means that lines of the letter A were so waved that they seem to be shaking with fear. That letters what? Downside of the A letter, some letters are also there, but that all letters are in proper way. And sometimes some like this, some shaking, some like this are there, letters are. Now Mohsin turned page after page slowly. That boy also started to turn. First he saw first page A letter. After that slowly that boy started to turn page after page after, like that he started to turn the all pages, means some pages. After that the letter A appeared at the top in different colors with many smaller A's in the pencil below. Mohsin turned the pages after page. The letter A appeared at the top in the different colors with many smaller A's in the pencil below. Means each and every time that madam, she first that teacher wrote one A letter. After that boy has written. After that when he turned, again one big A is there, and in different ways that A's are there. Again he turned, next page also he saw, like that only so many pages. The A letter is like that only. None of the small A's look as good as a big A. But how many pages he turned? Many pages he started to turn. But how the teacher has written that much nice, that remaining letters, that A's are not there in that book, means up to some pages. That big A which has written by the class teacher, it is very good, it is looking very nice, but remaining what that boy has written, it is not up to the mark, isn't it? But he turned the pages, turned, many pages he turned, but he didn't find out this letter which is a topmost of the page, the letter, that other letters are not looking that much nice. Now, and on the 7th page there was a good looking A in pencil, that madam has written with pen, and that Mohsin has started to write with pencil, and he turned the pages. After that, after 7th page, after he find out good looking A, that also written with pencil, not with pen, then with pencil. A. After that there was many perfect A's. After that he find out many perfect A's. in that book. Okay children, next I will continue in next class.